Now we're going to see why content marketing is important and why a content marketing strategy is vital for your business on Facebook. So first of all, let's see what is content marketing. Many businesses operating in various industries are seeking fresh ways for effectively engaging with their desired target audience through content marketing. So content marketing is the means to communicate and engage with their audience. It should be used to build meaningful connections and capture the interest of potential consumers. So that means if you want to transmit information about your product or service, you need to use content marketing in order to make your potential customers aware of what you're offering. Now we're going to see what exactly content marketing is. Why content marketing? Why we're using content marketing? And what are the benefits of content marketing? So first of all, what is content marketing? Content marketing is the implementation of creating, sharing, and distributing quality content. So content is something that we're going to deliver, going to create, share, and distribute to our potential customers, which is informative, entertaining, and valuable. So people like to entertain, to be entertained, like to have something which is informative and which has a value. So this has to be the way to communicate about your product or services on the internet or on any business means like magazines, TV, and so on. And this can be in form of text, images, or videos. Why content marketing is important? When purchasing a product or service, customers generally prefer buying from a credible brand rather than from one that they have never heard before. So if you just give them a lot of information about your product or service, then you will be something that will be always present in their life. They get acquainted with you, they will know your brand, they will buy from you. Trust plays a major part of every consumer's final purchase decision, and content marketing is the perfect means for creating a signature style that builds recognition and conveys your brand's personality. And let's see which content to use. The beauty of content marketing is that there are so many ways of displaying and sharing content. With that said, here are some of the greatest forms of content which many brands use to communicate their message. Video marketing. A great video marketing strategy not only produces a storytelling message, but also develops brand identity among your target audience. So you create stories and you use videos to tell the stories. You create power around your brand. Video animation. Through online presentation software that are available all over the internet, one is able to transform complicated topics into meaningful visuals by focusing on representing the interested content, which creates greater value for the end viewer. Lists. We, as individuals, have a tendency to put everything into numerical groups, which anything with anything outside seen as inferior. Lists that produce evergreen content can improve lead generation. Memes. A meme is another incredible content form, as they are hilarious and have the potential to go viral instantly. Infographics. Infographics represent a powerful presentation of valuable information or data in a visual way. To ensure that your infographic produces relevant content, Think about ways to repurpose this content in the future to generate further leads. Live video streaming. Share or live video streaming became very popular nowadays. Many brands chose to implement live video streaming into their content marketing strategy to connect with potential customers on a human-to-human level, which enhances their overall customer experience. Let's see how to create an effective content marketing strategy. First of all, you need to identify your client's interests. When creating a content marketing checklist, the first thing that you should always do is to identify your client's interests, which will allow you to create content that is relevant and valuable to your audience. After all, there's no point in creating content which potential consumers do not find interesting. High quality content. As like everything else in life, the essence of quality is another fundamental factor which adds value to the importance of content marketing. Well-written, visually appealing and meaningful content is key when devising a content marketing strategy for your brand. Unique content. Distinguish your brand from your competitors by creating unique content that portrays your true colors. Having unique content not only helps instill brand recognition, but also boosts search engine rankings. Search engine optimization. Create content that is recognized by both potential consumers and search engine robots. Having SEO-optimized content is a key element behind every winning content marketing strategy, since it makes room for new customer markets who are searching for keywords relating to your industry. What are the benefits of content marketing? A great deal of digital marketers have come to identify the importance of content marketing and the many benefits associated with it, from lead generation and increased reach to image development and customer retention. Content marketing is without a doubt one of the greatest online marketing techniques for connecting with your audience. It builds brand recognition and credibility, enhances customer loyalty with both current consumers and prospective ones, incorporates brand authority and trust, increases brand awareness and visibility, positions your brand as an industry leader and an influencer, and generates traffic to your website, creates new channels for communication with potential consumers, assists the consumer during their purchase decision, provides added value without being intrusive, gives your brand a recognizable personality, develops long-term and valuable relationships with your audience, improves lead generation and conversion. So you see how many points you just achieve using content marketing.